Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick update, I'll show you exactly how to hide the notification badge icon on Telegram. If those unread message counters are distracting, or you just prefer a cleaner app look, this setting is easy to turn off. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. Inside Settings, find and select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and visual indicators. Now look for the option labeled Show Badge Icon under the Badge Icon section. This setting is responsible for displaying the unread message count on your Telegram app icon. To hide the badge, simply toggle off Show Badge Icon. As soon as you turn it off, the number will disappear from your app icon, giving you a cleaner and less distracting home screen. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the notification badge icon on Telegram. If you ever want to bring it back, just follow the same steps and toggle the option on again. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you receive a lot of messages and want to reduce visual clutter on your device. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks on the channel to get the most out of your app.